रोशनी ही रोशनी है, चारज़ू जो चारज़ू, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है, जो छुपा है हर नजर में, हर तरफ जो रूबरू, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है। आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी। Hi guys, my name is Sakina. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys saw my horrible singing, I'm so sorry for that. Please do not unsubscribe because this video is going to be extremely good. Today, the book that we are going to talk about is really close to my heart. I'm going to tell you top 3 reasons of why you should read this book and some things that were a bit off. मैं आपको सब कुछ बताने वाली हूँ, फिर decide करना कि आपको ये novel पढ़नी चाहिए या नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए. Like मेरे तरफ से 100% you should read this novel, but yeah, it's always going to be your decision. And trust me, I'm going to convince you in the end of the video that you are absolutely gonna read this. So the novel that I'm talking about is Red, White and Royal Blue, a novel by Casey McQuiston. Now, as you guys got the hint, I was singing Ishq Hai. So this novel is about ishq, pyar mohabbat. Oh my god, I'm so cringe. Please do not unsubscribe. Now, if you guys don't know, like I am such a romantic. I'm a sucker for romance. Even though mera cut rakha hai, but I still very much do believe in love. Even though I have had some bit unlucky experiences in the matters of love, I still very much do believe in love, and that is what this book made me feel. So as you can see, there are two rather handsome guys in the cover page of the novel, which signifies a gay romance novel. So if you're someone who just thinks कि सिर्फ एक लड़का और लड़की को प्यार में रहना चाहिए, शादी करनी चाहिए, then I'm so sorry. I really hope that I'll be able to change your mind, that this book will be able to change your mind. But if you're someone like me who just thinks कि यार प्यार तो सिर्फ प्यार होता है, किसी से भी कर लो, बस आपका दिल सच्चा होना चाहिए. That is what I feel and truly believe in, and that is what this novel made me feel and believe in. So before we get into the whole book reviewing thing, I want to share a little special story. So a few days back, I found this novel just sitting in my cupboard and I was like, oh my god, why haven't I reviewed this one? And I was just thinking, yeah, this is the perfect way to start the year. But I could not remember the essence of it. I remember so happy I felt after reading this one. I remembered the whole story, the whole synopsis. So मैं प्यार से आराम से वीडियो बना सकती, रिव्यू कर सकती थी. But it would be so injustice कि मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि इसके loves क्या थे. So what I did was I reread this novel. In my entire life, I have never ever reread any novel. मैंने बचपन में हैरी पॉटर पढ़ी थी, पर वो भी बस पढ़ के प्यार से मेरी कबर्ड में रखी है. उसको मैंने वापस कभी नहीं छुआ. लाइक छुआ है पर कभी वापस से नहीं पढ़ा है. But I reread this one. So just explaining how special it is to me, how close to my heart this novel is to me. So if you're wondering how did my outfit change in the middle of the video, I'm so sorry about that. Apparently, Indian moms love to wash clothes that aren't even dirty. मतलब गंदे भी नहीं थे, धो दिए. Anyways, there are two main characters in the book. The first one, his name is Henry, and he is the Prince of England. The second one, his name is Alex Claremont Diaz, and he is the son of the President of the United States of America. That was such a long sentence, but I said it in a single breath, so you have to click that like button. Anyways, a little background story about them. They met each other in an Olympic event when they were about 15 or 16 years old. So they both are public and political figures, so they have to meet each other in various kind of public events. In a way, you can say that they are sworn enemies, like literally they hate each other. So, in the beginning, there is going to be a royal wedding that is happening. Henry's elder sister is getting married and it's a huge freaking deal. Like imagine जैसे हमारी अंबानी की शादी हुई थी ना, हर जगह हमारे Instagram वगैरह पर छाया हुआ था. Exactly same is happening in the book as well. And now Alex, along with his best friend Nora and with his elder sister June, they have to go and attend this wedding. Now, when they reach in England, Alex finally meets Henry and they get into a conversation, and quickly that conversation turns into an argument. Now, something extremely funny happens in the story, and I would suggest you guys go on YouTube and check out the trailer of this book, and I'm pretty sure that you will find out the scene that I'm talking about, and I'm not going to spoil it for you. You're going to read it for yourself. Anyways, when that scene happens, everyone now knows that Alex and Henry do have a beef between them and their relations are not good. Now, this is a matter of foreign concern because we are talking about the relationship of two countries here, England and United States of America. So on every freaking news channel that you can think of, now Alex and Henry's, both of their PR teams have prepared this whole plan of damage control because obviously national security पर बात आ गई है and now they both have to pretend that they are each other's best friends. I mean, that's such a funny scenario if you just think about it. Like imagine that there are two people who hate each other but now they have to pretend that they are each other's best friend and that they cannot live without each other. This book had so many instances where I was laughing like hell. There aren't many books that make you genuinely laugh because it's extremely hard. क्योंकि आप देख नहीं रहे हो, आप पढ़ रहे हो. You're not watching a movie. It's a movie going inside your head, and then you have to imagine the scenarios. You're imagining the characters that are saying these things, and then you're just laughing. And आप उनकी voices भी खुद बना रहे हो. It's a whole new experience जो movies से कभी नहीं मिलता. So I would suggest कि please read the novel before you watch the movie. And like I have not watched it, so I do not know anything about it. But the books are always better than the movies, right? Now, I'm going to tell you top 3 reasons of why you should read this novel. 3 खूबसूरत reasons of why you should read this novel because it's absolutely my favorite, but I'm going to convince you. The first reasons are characters. Not just the two main characters that I'm talking about, Henry and Alex. I'm talking about each and every freaking character in this book. मैंने बहुत ऐसी नॉवल पढ़ी है जहाँ पे साइड कैरेक्टर्स बस ऐसे नाम के लिए दे देते हैं, उनका कोई रोल नहीं होता है. But this novel, oh my god, it had so many good characters, you guys. I am not kidding. Each and every character of this book is so funny. They have their own personality. Like they're not just existing, they are putting something and they are adding on to the story in a very good way. They are needed. मुझे नहीं लगता साइड कैरेक्टर्स के बिना ये नॉवल बन पाती इतनी मजेदार. तो इनके बॉडीगार्ड्स इतने फनी होते हैं. They're Amy, Zara and Sean. They have an Indian character as well. Just imagine how perfect this book can become. All the side characters, Zara, Amy, Cash, Beatrice, June, Nora, Percy, Sean, they all add up to the story so beautifully. And even the mother of Alex, her name is Ellen and she is the president of the United States of America. Her character is so witty, smart, intelligent. Each and every time you read about her, you're just admiring that person because obviously she has to be perfect, but in a lot of ways she does so many blunders. And obviously beside that, हमारे Henry और Alex तो हैं ही. You see the character building of these two. आप इनके बारे में जितना पढ़ते हो ना उतना you feel connected to them. I cannot even explain in words how much they mean to me. Like the love and relationship they had. I just wish कि मेरा भी ऐसा किसी के साथ रिश्ता हो. This book has one of the best characters ever in the world. Like you cannot argue with me on that. Now comes the second reason, you guys. Guess what I'm going to be talking about? The writing style of this novel. The words just make you fall in love with them. The fluency of this book is like मलाई की तरह बहती है. से मन करेगा कि यार मुझे पढ़ना है, आगे क्या होगा, अब मजा आएगा. Casey McQuiston did such an excellent job in writing this novel. I remember an instance where I was reading a scene, a very intense one, where Henry and Alex were fighting. In this scene, what was special was each and every sentence and each and every word that Henry or Alex were saying, I could feel it. I was feeling their pain, whatever they were feeling, I was feeling. Imagine the connection that each and every reader that will have with these characters. And जैसा मैंने कहा, writing इतनी खूबसूरत है कि आपको इनसे प्यार हो जाएगा. इन सारे characters से, इन सारे scenes से, and even the steamy things were so well written. I was blushing the whole time when I was reading it. When Alex and Henry were touching each other, when they were looking into each other's eyes, when they were in contact, it was so beautiful to read about and very hot, to be honest. Like I did not expect that. Good job, Casey McQuiston. Another example to tell you guys how beautiful and lovely the writing style of this novel is. Henry and Alex, they used to write each other these really pretty and personal emails and letters. They write extremely personal things, their family traumas, their childhood stories. जो इनका रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड किया है ना धीरे धीरे केसी मैकक्विस्टन ने, वो इतना खूबसूरत है, मैं उसको शब्दों में बयां कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी, इसीलिए आपको पढ़नी ही पड़ेगी. एंड व्हेन वी we read these kind of emails and letters ना, we're gonna fall in love with the characters because obviously imagine हम एक prince और एक president के बेटे के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं यार. For us, these are like huge celebrities and political and public figures. But when we actually read about them, when we think about the traumas that they have been through, the things that they have dealt with, we actually feel that they are human as well. And when we read about them, we feel a connection with them. Whenever Henry or Alex write to each other, at the end, they always add on a quote which they have read in a novel or something like that, which makes each and everything so perfect. तो हम खाना बना के एंड में जो धनिया डालते हैं ना, I'm so sorry, that is such a bad example, but like imagine that you are making a really good pasta and then you garnish it with cheese. When we add on cheese to our pasta at the end, it just makes everything perfect. Like that is what I'm talking about. Those quotes just makes each and every sentence perfect. I really wish that I could recite some of my favorite quotes to you, but that would just make this video a lot long. So there are a lot of quotes that literally touch my heart, but this one in particular is really close to my heart, and in a way it's kind of engraved in my heart, you can say, because I've felt it. So I remember, like, I will recite it in Hindi. So Alex एक बार ऐसा सोचते हैं, each and every person that has ever hurt Henry, I wanna go to war with them and physically fight them. Now, in Hindi, it recites to कि जिस किसी इंसान ने भी हेनरी को कभी ना कभी दर्द दिया है, मैं उस इंसान से लड़ना चाहता हूँ. And in a way, it's so pure because in love, you feel the other person. आपको सामने वाले का दर्द महसूस होता है. जब उसको दर्द होता है, तब आपको उससे ज्यादा लाख गुना दर्द होता है.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Cannot explain. I was going to cry on that scene. I'm sorry you guys, you will be thinking कि कैसी cringe बातें कर रही हूँ मैं, but like I said, I'm a romantic, okay? Anyways, now जो तीसरा खूबसूरत reason है of why you should read this book is it genuinely makes you happy. Don't get me wrong, each and every book that you read actually makes you happy. For my example, I do not read a lot of rom-com novels that are just pure and happy, breezy, light-hearted. ऐसी चीजें मैं ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ती. My genre is dark fantasy novels or thriller, crime. But when I read this novel, I was cursing myself that why I don't read these kind of genres more. If you're someone who is looking for something light-hearted and breezy, you do not want something really intense, then go for it. So sorry about the constant outfit changing. It's extremely cold in Delhi right now. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है और मैं बाहर shoot कर रही हूँ. Anyways, like I said, the third reason of reading this novel is that genuinely makes you happy. There are so many instances in this book when you read it, ना इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है. It was like a warm hug that I did not even know that I needed. I just want to hug it and keep it with me. जब भी मेरी कोई शेल्फ होगी अच्छे से मेरे खुद के घर में, मैं जरूर इस नॉवल को रखूंगी और सबको बोलूंगी कि पढ़ो भाई. Like each and every person of this novel is so beautiful and amazing to read about that you actually crave for their existence in your real life. Imagine when we see friends, हम हमेशा सोचते कि यार एक रेचल, रॉस, मोनिका, फीबी, जोई, चैंडलर तो हम भी अपनी जिंदगी में डिजर्व करते हैं ना. सबसे बड़ी बात जो है ना, ये हमें बताती है कि so normal for someone to just love the other person no matter what their gender is. Why can't we let this be? Not even in India, there are so many places all around the world जहाँ पर homosexuality is treated as a taboo, which obviously is not a good thing. I mean, love is love, यार. प्यार तो प्यार होता है, and a lot of people think about it as something unnatural or impure, which is like absolutely rubbish. And LGBTQ plus community, they suffer so many problems in this world, like coming out. Something as simple as just telling your parents or your loved ones about your sexuality is so simple, but for them it's so hard. And it's finally time for us to realize that these people are also normal. I mean, just because their sexuality is different does not make them any less of a person, and we should never ever treat them disrespectfully, right? Like कैसे आप किसी इंसान को नीचा दिखा सकते हो just because उनकी sexuality अलग है आपसे, is something out of my thought. For me and for a lot of people I know, आपकी भी यही सोच होगी कि प्यार तो सिर्फ प्यार होता है, आप किसी से भी करो, बस आपका दिल सच्चा होना चाहिए. So there are just a few things that I want you guys to remember when you get into this novel. So the first one is that it has some political references which you will not get, and it is completely alright, because even I was confused when I was reading them. But just remember that it's a fictional world and you do not have to like get each and every sentence कि इसका क्या मतलब है. You just need to focus on the main story. And the second thing is that this book on some moments gets a little bit intense and you will think थिंक यार बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी है, बट ट्रस्ट मी एट द एंड दिस नॉवल इज गोइंग टू बी 100% वर्थ इट. It has such a beautiful ending, you guys. It was so pretty. I'm gonna cry. I hope I did justice to this novel. Please go and read it out and tell me in the comments if you love it or not. So yeah, in a nutshell and in conclusion, this novel feels like a warm hug. It's so light-hearted, so pure. I have no other words to describe it. It's a comfort read. And if you are someone who's looking out for something just like this, please pick it up, and I'm pretty sure that you will absolutely love it. हाँ जी, तो ये थे वो 3 खूबसूरत reasons of why I should read this novel. I really hope that I inspire you all to read this one. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care.